the announcement of today's President Trump's pick to replace Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg on the Supreme Court. The president is expected to select Amy Coney Barrett, a federal judge who currently sits on the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals. The nomination comes a little more than a week after Ginsburg's death and just 38 days before the presidential election, setting up a pitched partisan battle over the pivotal seat on the highest court in the land. The president will make the announcement formally this afternoon at the White House. That's where our Ben Tracy is. Ben, good morning.
Good morning. You know, Judge Amy Coney Barrett always appeared to be President Trump's first choice, even though he said he was considering 5 different women. Well, he will make it official here at the White House today in the Rose Garden. At a late-night rally in Virginia Friday, President Trump teased his big announcement.
Here's the only thing I can tell you for sure is it will be a woman. Is that okay?
According to multiple sources familiar with the selection process, the president is expected to nominate 48-year-old appeals court judge Amy Coney Barrett.
She's very highly respected, I can say that.
Barrett is a favorite of religious conservatives for her strong anti-abortion rights views, and if confirmed, would move the court to the right for a generation. In 2016, she said she doesn't think Roe v. Wade will be entirely overturned, but access to abortion would be restricted.
I don't think the core case, the Roe's core holding that, women have a right to an abortion, I don't think that would change. But I think the question of whether people can get very late-term abortions, how many restrictions can be put on clinics, I think that would change.
President Trump first considered Barrett when filling Justice Anthony Kennedy's seat after he retired in 2018. He nominated Judge Brett Kavanaugh instead. But that meant Barrett was already vetted by the White House, and Republican leaders in Congress feel confident they can quickly confirm her before Election Day to replace the liberal icon Ruth Bader Ginsburg. The late justice was remembered during a ceremony at the Capitol Friday, honored not just for her 27 years on the nation's highest court, but for her trailblazing role in fighting for equality for women.
She was our prophet, our North Star, our strength for so very long.
And now the focus turns to what is expected to be a fierce fight over President Trump's nominee.
And then what happens on Capitol Hill is a partisan battle that honestly will be probably the most disgusting thing that we've seen since Judge Kavanaugh.
CBS News has learned that the White House is already reaching out to Republican senators to set up meetings with the nominee for next week. And President Trump has made no secret about the fact that he thinks the election could be so close that it's decided by the Supreme Court, and he wants his nominee confirmed before November 3rd. Dana.
All right, Ben, thank you.